Welcome everybody. Today we'll be discussing about the where clause. The where clause allows you to retrieve the records from the database which satisfy a given condition. So that means the where clause it's like a conditional statement. Let's see this table, the student table. Let's suppose you want to know who are the students who have a CGPA greater than 8. So for that case, we need to use the where clause. So the where clause is included at this end of the select statement. So to know what the students who have a who have a CGPA greater than 8, we write our select statement, and at the end of the select statement we write our where clause. So where the CGPA is greater than 8. So where the column is CGPA greater than 8, and here we go. So we have this relation as result S001. Where is our S001? This one 8.2, and as you can see, all the records whose CGPA is greater than 8 are included in this new relation. You may use the where clause to find a single record, like you want to have information about the SID S00, let's say S005. So you may do the same, select all from student. You want to know who is the holder of the ID S005. Select all from student, where SID equals to S005. This needs to be in quotation S005. So here you have S005 is this marker. So as you can see, we have the same here. We have the same information for S005. So this is the use of the where clause. You may use it to retrieve a single record or to retrieve a collection of records.